welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sele Kalio, and if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. Thank you for coming back. So today's video, I'm going to be telling you, or I'm going to be teaching you, I'm going to be talking about ingredients that you can incorporate into your formulation to clear sunburn or to treat sunburn. Now, if you are interested in this topic and you have issues with sunburn and you want to learn how you can treat and get rid of your sunburn or your sun damaged skin, then you definitely want to watch this video to the very end. Now, we are all familiar with sun damage and all that it can cause to our skin. There are different forms of sun damage. We have sunspots, hyperpigmentation, which is sunburn. We have wrinkles, we have crow feet, we have moles and freckles, we have dryness and eczema, and so many other things that the sun can cause, or your skin's exposure to sun can cause to your skin or can bring to your skin. So when the UV rays come in contact with your skin, the body melanin develops into things like moles, melasma, freckles, and so many other things that it can cause on your skin. Now, UV rays and UVA rays also have free radicals that can kill or damage living cells, thereby causing so many skin damage for you. And that is why you always need antioxidants in your creams. I talked about the steps or the stages or the categories of ingredients that you need to have in your skincare formulation. I'm going to leave a video up here for you guys to watch. Make sure you watch this video and after this one to know the categories of ingredients that you should have in your skincare formulation. Now, while you cannot erase sun damage completely, there are ingredients that you can incorporate in your formulation that will help diminish the appearance of sun damage on your skin. Now, this video I'm talking about, or I'm talking to you, I'm telling you, I'm going to be showing you or talking to you about the best ingredients that you can incorporate into your formulation to get the required results to clear sun damaged skin. Now, the first on our list is our tranexamic acid. Tranexamic acid. Now, tranexamic acid is a synthetic derivation of the amino acid lysine. Tranexamic acid is mostly used to address tough skin discoloration issues. So if you have discoloration of the skin, you have huge pigmentation of some parts of your skin that are very tough and you find it difficult to get rid of, incorporate tranexamic acid in your formulation and it will help clear out your pigmentation or your hyperpigmentation or your stubborn spots that have refused to go off. Now, tranexamic acid has been proven to treat tough or stubborn hyperpigmentation or discoloration of the skin, and it also improves stubborn brown spots on your skin. Now, our next ingredient is our copper peptide. Now, copper peptide serves as an antioxidant and it promotes the collagen and elastin production in your skin and also removes sun damaged collagen and elastin from the skin. They are antioxidant and they stimulate the production of collagen and elastin in your body or on your skin, which helps soften the appearance of fine lines on the skin. It helps blur out dark spots, brown spots, and also because they have very good healing ability, it is one of the best ingredients you can incorporate in your formulation to help treat dark spots, to help treat sunspots, to help treat hyperpigmentation and every other issue that comes with sun damaged skin. Now our next ingredient is retinol. And retinol is a derivative of vitamin A, and it works by encouraging cell turnover and increased collagen and elastin production on your skin. This helps getting rid of sun damaged skin and bringing back all the damaged skin cells back on track. Now, how do you prevent sun damage? Now, you can prevent sun damage by protecting your skin by wearing sun protection creams, creams like sunscreen. Number 2, you can also protect your skin by wearing sunscreen 15 to 30 minutes before you leave your house. And then thirdly, you can protect your skin. You can protect your skin from the sun by choosing a very broad spectrum sunscreen, and also make sure that you're wearing sunscreen multiple times or during the day. There are times when the sun is most harsh, and these periods are between 2 a.m. to 4 p.m. So within this period, you want to make sure that you put on your sunscreen every 2 hours to help protect your skin. Now, I know a lot of you will say, oh, I'm wearing makeup, how do I wear my sunscreen? There are spray-on sunscreens that you can use. If you want to protect your skin from sunscreen, avoid anything if you want to protect your skin from the sun rays that are damageable to your skin, you want to remove or eliminate or protect your skin 100% from UV rays. That is, you have to avoid going out under direct sunlight. And if you're going to be using products or ingredients that are photosensitive to the sun, then you want to make sure that you are using a very broad spectrum sunscreen in your formulation or as a product on its own to help protect your skin from sun damage. Now, another ingredient that can help lighten up the spots or discoloration or hyperpigmentation from the sun is alpha-arbutin. Alpha-arbutin is very good with lightening discolored skin. Just make sure that when you're using these ingredients, you're using them at their appropriate percentage usage rates, and make sure that you're incorporating ingredients that are compatible in a formulation. That's why you have to get my ebook. If you haven't gotten my ebook, I don't know what else to say. Get my ebook. This will help you understand better on ingredients that work for what purpose and ingredients that you can combine together. It will help you learn the different usage percentage rates of every ingredient, and it will also help you to learn or understand your ingredients that work best together in a formulation. Now, there are so many other ingredients that I want to mention, but I don't want this video to be too long. So if you want to go more in depth with your ingredients and how to use them and when to use them and why to use them, then you definitely want to get my ebook. It is only 5,000 naira. Now, when you use the link in my description bar that takes you to my website to purchase the ebook, make sure you're not using Zoom. Make sure you're using RavePay. Now, if you have any difficulties making payment on my website, send me a message. I'm going to leave my number in the description bar. You can use that number to send me a message on WhatsApp, and I will help you through your ebook purchase. Now, you can use World Remit if you have any issues. Just send me a message and use World Remit to make your purchase and make your payment. It is really easy. You can also use MTN Money. A lot of people have been using that to send money across to me. So if you have any difficulties with your payment, kindly leave me a message on WhatsApp and I will help you through your purchase process. Now, everybody who has gotten the ebook, I am very, very grateful. I have an amazing new recipe book coming out. This book is going to have over 40 recipes on there. and I'm very sure you guys will find it very interesting and very informative and helpful to you. Now, thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. If you haven't subscribed at this time, please hit the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time there's a new upload coming from me, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if this video was helpful to you, and leave me a comment on videos that you want me to make for you, your questions, and I will definitely answer them, or better still do a video around that question so that other people can benefit from it. And yeah guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that my lighting is getting better, I hope. And don't forget to shop from our friend and sister OK Pavilion. She sent me this beautiful bag. Like guys, I don't believe that I've gotten to the stage where people actually send me stuff, and not just send me stuff, send me expensive stuff like this. Like, I am super grateful, guys. Thank you so much. And also my t-shirt is also from her. I'm going to leave her link in the description bar for you guys to check her out. She sells thrifted designer, authentic designer items that are gonna save you so much money. Just imagine me wearing this bag and stepping out, and you know, everybody looking at me like, oh, she's bullshit, she's expensive, not knowing that they are very affordable. Guys, she has bags that are less than $100, like authentic designer bags that are less than $100. Guys, look at that. Look at all the stuff. Like, she has amazing bags, and definitely go check her out. I'm gonna leave her link in the description bar. If you want me to do like a haul on some of my bags and show you guys where you can get authentic thrifted bags like this, or other things, hair and other things, let me know, because you know, I love my bag. Okay guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check my other videos. I have a full playlist of recipes and other things that you would be interested in. I'm going to leave the link here. Definitely check those videos out, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.